Jayco introduced the latest changes for 2025 to its SLX 174 bunkhouse with the SLX 175BH floor plan. Weighing in at 4,600 pounds gross, this lightweight bunkhouse can sleep up to 5 people. At a length of 21 foot 6 inches, it's easy to tow with an SUV or half-ton truck. The exterior has a 12-foot awning and a basement access door. Inside you'll find a queen-size bed, a nightstand, a closet, and overhead storage. There's air conditioning, a propane furnace, and a tankless water heater. The dinette converts for sleeping with cabinets above. The 2 bunks are 30 by 76. The dry bath at the rear has a shower tub, toilet, and sink. The kitchen area includes an 8 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, microwave oven, a 2-burner stove, and a sink.